Hello, hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a junk journal that I made with the Winter Wonderland kit. It's a digital printable kit available in my Etsy shop. It's also a kit made in collaboration with Luise Heinzl, and she has also an Etsy shop. The kit offers 3 sizes. It's traveler's notebook size, and A4 size, and US letter size. And my junk journal is made out of the traveler's notebook size, which I really love. And the traveler's notebook size is available in my shop, and the A4 and the US letter size is available in Luise's shop. I will link both shops in the description box below if you are interested. It's 2 kits. It's a background kit with 18 different backgrounds, and it's also a design kit with design pages like this one, and that kit offers 10 double-sided pages. And I know that Luise has some ephemera in that kit, and I have an add-on ephemera kit in my shop for that matches the traveler's notebook size. It's just that it took a little longer time for me to make the embellishment. That's why I have 3 different kits to buy, but it's almost the same as Luise. The background kit and the designed pages are exactly the same, but the sizes, but the ephemera is a bit different because we have made them on our own. Yeah. And I will do a flip through of my finished junk journal, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section below, and I will happy to answer all of your questions. What can I say? I have made the junk journal out of the background pages, the design papers, and coffee dyed papers in different variations, and I have used old book pages, stamping, different pattern papers from my stash. I have sewn around many of my pages, and yeah, it's a soft cover journal, and it's only one signature. So the cover is a pattern paper, and I have just folded up the paper and creating a pocket here and creating a pocket here. And the original idea for this is from Luise Heinzl, and I will link her YouTube video in the description box below as well. So and then I have sewn on some fabric that I really thought matches the colors in the kit. And I have some fabric for the closure. And this is the front side. I have a book page, a journaling card, and some fabric tag. And now I will do the flip through. Oh, one more thing. I have also made my own splatters. This is just a regular copy paper, which I have sprayed with Lindy Stamken sprays in different colors to match the kit. So now here's the flip through. This is a visible image stamp. Tag. Take it from the kit. Visible image stamp. AB Studio stamp. It's a background. Some paste. Have sewn on the page. Here I have sewn on some book pages, some scrap paper and lace, and the ephemera, some fabric. is a Cookie Daisy stamp.